How to make a FedEx account. So visit the website fedex.com. Now click on sign up or open account. After that, choose your account type. So you will be asked to select a type of your account. The personal account, so if you are using FedEx for personal shipments. The business account, if you need to ship package for your business. Now choose one of these options. After that, fill the registration form. You can provide full name, email address, phone number, home or business address, and credit card details. FedEx may place the temporary $1 hold for verification. If you are creating a business account, you will also need to enter your business name and business address. After that, review and submit your information. Now, review and submit your information before click on submit button to create your account. After that, receive your FedEx account number. So after your application is processed, you will receive a FedEx account number. This number will be sent to your email and can be also found in your FedEx account profile once you log in. So this is how to make a FedEx account. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.